Gresham, also known as DrKayGee or Miss KG. I am finally starting my YouTube page. It's been something I've been thinking about doing for like years at this point, and never really got around to doing it. So with quarantine and things kind of slowing down a little bit, I decided to kind of take this opportunity to utilize my time well and start my page. So I am, if you don't know, a dentist. I live in Boston, but I am from Philly, the best city of all, but have been in Boston for about 7-8 years at this point. I work as a dentist in an office in Boston. I'm a cosmetic dentist, and I love all things teeth and dentistry, and I really like the opportunity to change people's lives one smile at a time. It's really my passion, and I want to use this page to share some tips and tricks for maybe aspiring dentists or dentists already working in the field who want to kind of transition into more of a cosmetic dentistry approach, and as well as oral health tips and tricks for patients and everyone out there, because friends and family are always asking me what can they do to prevent cavities and what's the best toothbrush and all things like that. So we will touch on those. I'm also a soon-to-be practice owner, so excited to kind of take you guys through the transition from associate dentist into practice ownership, whether that be a startup or through an acquisition. I'm still kind of working my way through that right now, but that's something that I'm working on in the next year. So excited to take you guys on that journey. And then maybe little bits and pieces of my life. So I love to run. I'm in a really dope running community here in Boston. So you'll definitely be seeing a little bit of that aspect of my life: running, fitness, and food. I love to eat. So that is a little bit about me, and I am very excited to start sharing everything with you guys, and I hope you'll stick around.